just looking at it. Aha, cool. More ammo, brilliant. What I want. Especially for this weapon. I like this weapon now. Seem to have a fond likeness for it. Let's see. Nearly halfway through. That's cool. Haven't lost one bit of health yet. That's brilliant. And really, that's really good. You want that. This is what you want to happen. Okay. Weapons, and are we... They're pretty much all full. Oh, I could use this. The Annihilate. I love this weapon. I just wasted because I want survivor stuff. Rest assured, it's a great weapon. You can aim it. Rest assured, no, it is a good weapon. When you start challenge mode, I recommend using all the weapons that you haven't upgraded that much because it's just worth it. Yeah, good. Yeah, this is a great place to upgrade the weapons you haven't upgraded before. Good. Clank. Excellent. Where is he? Actually does quite a lot. Wait a minute. Am I allowed to? No way. Am I allowed to? It's a lot of money, but boy is it worth it right now. Especially when I'm wanting to upgrade. Thank you for the experience. Didn't do much for yourself. Yeah, now it is going up. Oh no, not. Come on. I forgot you could use the PDA in this. Now that is helpful. I stand corrected, this isn't hard at all. The only hard part was I lost 2 health. Where did I lose 2 health? Oh right, sleeping gas mode. I'm being an idiot. That'd be why. Yeah, the only hard part, I think, is the fact that you can fall through the gaps, and then you're fucked. At that point. That's it. That is the only hard part of this. At all. Of this entire thing. Not much, is it? Die. The last one is Scorpion. I believe the last one will be Scorpion. I'm pretty sure it is. Should be. Which I will be fighting and killing only with my wrench. Or should I not? No, I think I should kill it as quickly as possible actually. Just because I don't really want to die. Just for that reason alone. Let's see. You know what? No, I'm going to use the bouncer. Let's use the bouncer. It's a good weapon, and it isn't leveled up fully. Let's use one of the good ones. One of the fuck you ones. Yes, I like this. Yep, I think this game can be completed very soon, actually. Ow, that would have been close. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, you get 200,000 gold for this. In challenge mode, you'd obviously get 2 million, which is a lot if you can figure it out. If I do die randomly by falling through the middle, I will cut it, because I'm not showing you all that yet. Unless I do something really cool, like I get the Inferno power thing. and therefore after that I get it against the boss or something somehow. I'll show that. That I'll show, because that's cool. That's not nearly done. Oh, cycling weapons. Nice. Right. Go. I'm proud of you, little shooter guys. Where are you going, little shooter guys? Spinning Hydra ahoy. Bye. Spinning Hydra's going to upgrade again soon, which is cool. They grow up so fast, don't they? Bye. I love this weapon. The ends since he's still. And I've got a spoon now, actually, because it's upgraded. It's around 69, it's still not dead, which is somewhat incredible. Oh, yes. The rape machine. I like to call it. It's a fitting name. Just rapes anything that tries to attack it. Nothing survives. Nothing survives its wrath. Loving this though. What fun these are. Do it. Cycling weapons. Oh, what? That's unfair. I just used Inferno power and it got taken away from me. That's actually unfair. That is genuinely really unfair. That can't happen. I'm convinced that's illegal. The one thing is you can always keep this shield charger. Always. That's the one good thing. It will never leave you because it just doesn't really run out. It's pretty powerful. It doesn't run out though. I don't know why, but it's just insane. Bouncer time. That's the bouncer. They're asking me to use a bouncer. I'm not going to decline them. I like the bouncer, you see. Oh, hello. I use the Annihilator. If you wish me to use the Annihilator, then the Annihilator you shall get. This could be Annihilator, right? Again? Oh, give me the Annihilator. Cool. Round 80, nearly. Yep, round 80. Slightly impressive. Suckers. That wasn't even remotely tough. Die. There you go. Not much to say anymore, because it's just this is fairly easy, but oh well. It's okay. It's fun. It is just a bit easy if you are this over leveled and overpowered and stuff. You're going into it with everything you've got. You're now unstoppable. Bye. The good thing you want from Nefarious is you do want to sort of have the PDA because it is helpful. However, I'm not going to use it. But the PDA is helpful because if you run out of your good weapon, that means you have to use one of the weaker ones, in your opinion, which you don't think will do as much damage. Of course, you might find it does do more damage than you first suspected. However, still didn't help him too much. Round 89, eh? It's quite impressive, actually. And incredible at the same time. Bye. Now that's more like it. 991. If I do this without losing any health, I'll just be speechless. Because that will be quite cool. Probably won't happen. I'm sure some kind of glitch will happen or anything or something, but give me a sec. Oh yes, I'm still using this. Win. Round 94. This one I don't really care much for. I use it, but I don't care much for it. Oh, got them both. That was effective. Go for it. Again. Okay, my little men are doing the work. I'm getting lag. Kill them, boys. Is there an inferno? There is an inferno. I'm using it around 99 and I'm beating the fucking living balls out of the Scorpion. No, actually no, screw it, using the plasma. 5 plasma. It's going to be really easy. Better be able to use it. Oh yes, I am allowed to use it. This is going to be so easy. Come on, bring it on. Give me the final one. Oh, it just ended it for me. That's unfair. This thing is so easy now. Oh crap. I got hit, oh no. Worst comes to worst, I will just do the obvious thing, which is stop using the wrench and just go with it. Because I can do this challenge any other time. Which isn't risking it. I'm risking it too much though, because it's really easy. Really simple actually. I might be able to do the skill point. If I do the skill point, I will laugh. I lost 4 health and I did the skill point, which is amusing. It's too amusing for words. Pose. Am I right in thinking that was the skill point that I got? I'm assuming it is, must be. Turn up the heat, yeah, it has to be. Turn up the heat because it's the only one. Yep, I got them all. Easy. Well, I guess in the next part, I'm going after Nefarious. I'll see you there.